How to install LiveChat on Ecwid. This short tutorial will show you how to integrate LiveChat with your Ecwid store. Adding LiveChat will allow you to see visitors' activity on your site in real time and proactively help them in their buying decisions. Installation. Follow the instructions below to add LiveChat to your store. Speed things up. If you feel confident, you can skip steps 1 to 3 and jump straight to the installation page. 1. Log into your Ecwid and head to the Apps tab. 2. In the Apps Market, select Storefront and Themes and search for the LiveChat app. 3. Click on the LiveChat badge to get the app. 4. On the installation page, click on the blue Install button. 5. Next, you need to connect a LiveChat account with your Ecwid store. If you are new to LiveChat, you will need to create an account. To do it, choose your login and password and then click Try for free to continue. If you already have a LiveChat account, click on Use an existing account to proceed. 6. Complete the installation by clicking on the Visit Your Store site link. Voila! LiveChat has been installed and should appear on your Ecwid store after refreshing. To start chatting with your site visitors, log into the LiveChat web app or download a dedicated desktop application. Check LiveChat's rich knowledge base to get your head round some great tips to get you started with LiveChat. Hit https://lc.chat/664k and get yourself started with LiveChat.